Hey, this is Daryl at the Sound Shop. I wanted to do a quick sound demo of this Guild. This is an S-70 from probably the late 70s, early 80s. Nice USA vintage guitar. This one's had several modifications done, so most of these come with the 3 single coils. I don't think any of these are the original pickups. There's a DiMarzio bridge pickup. We installed a Duncan SSL5 Duncan custom single coil here. I don't know what this pickup is, it's an unknown, but they all sound good. It's got an interesting little phase thing between these 2 pickups, or the bridge in the middle. The middle pickup's a little bit weak. Volume and tone pot move real smooth, and both work. I think this 3-way switch used to be like a coil tap or some kind of on-off for one of the pickups. I don't really know, but anyway, the way it's wired now, that's a tone damper switch, and this is pretty much like a kill switch, and can be used that way anyway. Sounds good, plays great, the playability is really good, the neck feels great. It's had vintage, the tuning keys have been replaced with Grovers. Somebody did kind of a hack job on that, but the Grovers work great. It stays in tune really well. It's the original bridge and tailpiece, mostly original pick guards. Somebody's pieced together, you know, something right here. But anyway, overall, it's a pretty nice guitar, and it sounds and plays really good. I'm gonna put some distortion on it and play a little bit. I don't know what model DiMarzio this is, but it sounds really good. Again, the volume pot works really good. The tone pot works real good, and it's got a lot going for it. I think there's pretty much the original case. The strap buttons have been kind of put in some different spots because somebody didn't know how to fill a hole with a toothpick or whatever it takes. They just drilled a hole in the wrong area in a couple of different spots. But you know, nice guitar overall, plays great, sounds great, really nice cool body shape and everything like that. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick little sound demo of the pickups, and the variety of tones is still got a good sound. A DiMarzio bridge pickup, Duncan neck pickup, which isn't too shabby. Really nice playability, and the frets are in decent shape. These look to be the original frets. There's still quite a bit of life left on the frets. So anyway, cool vintage guitar from the late 70s, early 80s, USA made. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown of it. Thanks for watching.